Hi all, have you ever dreamed of building a company that changes lives? Think about this. Steve Jobs started Apple in a garage. Jeff Bezos began Amazon by selling books online, and Elon Musk risked everything to launch Tesla. These billion-dollar ideas all started with one thing, a dream. Today I'll share 9 steps to turn your dream into a real startup. And I want your full attention on point 3 because it is like a lifeblood of a startup. So stick around and learn the secrets of building something great. Number 1. Find the right idea. Every great business starts with a problem. Look around. What frustrates people? What can you simplify, improve, or create to eliminate those problems? Your startup idea should be like a solution to a common problem. For example, a ride-sharing app like Uber addresses the pain points of finding quick and reliable transportation, making life more convenient for its customers, that is both drivers and passengers, by offering the rides at their fingertips. How to do it? Observe daily frustrations in your life or others' life. Brainstorm how you can make things easier, faster, and cheaper. Write down your ideas and discuss with your friends or colleagues to refine them. Once you reach to the final conclusion, start working on it. Number 2. Market research. Even the best ideas can fail if there is not a market for them. Research helps you to understand if people want what you are offering, how much they are willing to pay, and how your competitors are. For example, Coca-Cola conducted a market research in 1990s and learned that customers wanted healthier options. This led to the launch of Diet Coke, targeting health-conscious consumers, which expanded their market reach. How to do it? Use surveys or interviews to gather insights. Analyze your competitors, what they are doing, what can you do better. Look at tools like Google Trends, social media, and forums to see what people are discussing. At the end of this step, you will get to know the customer needs and preferences. Here you will understand what problems your targeted customers face and what solutions they are looking for. Market demand. Here you will identify if there is a sufficient demand for your product or service. Targeted customers. Here you will get to know your ideal customers on basis of demographics, behavior, and preferences. Competitor analysis. You will learn about your competitors' strengths, weaknesses, pricing, and strategies. Market trends. You will learn about emerging trends and opportunities in your industry. Pricing expectations. You will determine how much customers are willing to pay for your product or service. Barriers to entry. You will learn about challenges like rules, regulations, costs, or established competitors. Number 3. Build a solid business plan. Building a business plan involves several key steps to ensure it is clear, comprehensive, and well structured. Here is a step-by-step guide to create one. Number 1. Executive summary, which provides a brief overview of your business, which includes business name, location, and mission statement. Overview of the products or services. Basic information about the team, marketing, and financial highlights. Your business goals and what you aim to achieve. Number 2. Company description. It explains who you are and what your business does. It includes business name and legal structure. Your business history. Which market gap your business will fill and why your solution is unique. This we have already discussed in the example of Uber, the way how it filled the market gap with its unique solution. Number 3. Organization and management. Here you have to outline the business's organizational structure and key team members. It defines business owners, key management roles, and their responsibilities. Do you have any outside consultants or advisors? And it must also define your suppliers and the customers. Number 4. Products or services. Describe what you are selling or services you are offering. It includes the details of products or services, how you solve the problems of your customers to meet needs, future product or service offerings, and your development plans. Which means which products or services that you are going to launch in the future and what are your development plans. Number 5. Marketing and sales strategy. Define how you will attract and retain customers. It includes marketing plan, online marketing, social media marketing, partnerships, advertising, etc. How you will sell, direct sales, indirect sales, online selling, etc. Pricing strategy. how you will price your products or services and justify it. Sales forecast. Expected sales over next 1 to 3 years. Number 6. Financial projections. It provides the forecast of your business's financial future, which include income statement, which includes expected revenues and expenses, cash flow statement, projected cash inflows and outflows, and a balance sheet of assets and liabilities. Tips for creating a strong business plan. Be clear and concise. Keep your business plan easy to understand. A business plan is a living document and should be continuously updated as your business evolves. Number 4. Build your team. A strong team is a backbone for any startup. If you can't do everything alone, find people who share your vision and bring complementary skills. How to do it? Identify the skills you need. For example, marketing, tech, finance, etc. Hire people who are not just skilled but also passionate about your idea. Build trust and foster a collaborative environment. Step 5. Create an MVP. MVP stands for Minimum Viable Product. Instead of building a perfect product right away, start with a basic version that solves the core problem. Test it, learn, and improve gradually. For example, Instagram's MVP allowed users to share photos with a very few filters. And that simplicity attracted millions, which later shaped Instagram into the platform which we know today. How to do it? Focus on must-have features of your product. Implementing test run. It refers to testing a new business on a small scale with controlled settings before fully launching it. Test it with a small group of users and gather feedback. Number 6, which is very effective, get feedback. Feedback is highly essential for improvement. Your customers can tell you what is working and what needs to be fixed. How to do it? Create surveys or feedback forums. Listen to the constructive criticism without taking it personally. Use this feedback to make meaningful improvements. Number 7. Build your brand. A strong brand tells people what you stand for and why they should care. It's more than just a name or logo, it's your story. For example, Nike's brand is built on empowering people with its slogan, "Just do it," which includes design a logo and choose a name that reflects your vision. Use social media to tell your story and connect with your audience. Provide the best quality of products or services to your customers. Number 8. Launch your startup. This is the moment you have been building up to. Launch your product or service into the market. Start small to ensure everything works smoothly. For example, Spotify launched in a beta mode, focusing small markets first, then it scaled globally. How to do it? Pick a launch date and stick to it. Use online platforms, events or partnerships to spread the word. Offer special deals or promotions to attract your first customers. Number 9. Keep improving. A startup is never done. There is always room for improvement based on customer feedback, market trends and technology. For example, Amazon started with books and now it sells everything, including cloud computing services through AWS. How to do it? Regularly analyze the customer feedback and performance data. Stay updated with industry trends and adopt new technologies. Keep refining your product and services. Building a startup is like planting a tree. It starts with a small seed, which is a simple idea. With patience, effort, and right environment, it grows into something massive. Remember, every big company started small. If you have the passion and willingness to learn and courage to take risks, your startup can be the next success story. So what's your big idea? Let me know in the comments and let's start building your dream.